And there goes my help. So, it's got much more to go. That way. Looking forward to mulberry season. This thing's loaded. Soon enough. Just completely loaded. I'll do a video on how to harvest one of these trees. The easy way, once this is ready to go. Let's go. Come on. Hey, watch what you're doing with that. Come on. I got my hops here. Run up and around, and hopefully by another month I should be covering the top of that. That's what I'm hoping for, to be covered like a This plant takes over everything in my garden. We got it from a friend of my wife's and planted it, and it just goes everywhere. It goes all through the grass, everything. So I was digging up and I just stuck some in this old flower pot we had here, or watering can, I mean. There's some dirt in there and it just took, and it actually looks pretty cool. So I gotta clean out this corner because I kind of just threw those guys there for the time being, but we got a Nova Scotia raspberry bush that we got this year. Oh, raspberry stick, I should say, because it hasn't really made a bush yet. There, our ferns. We got a grape that I just bought this year. So I'm hoping I can train it. I'm going to buy some stuff to put on this fence here, because I want to train it to go up along the pond there. So, just like I moved the waterfall this year. I haven't finished working on that yet. Still got to build that up a bit better. We'll see. Turtles there eating their strawberries. Right, Thor. Got a ghost pepper plant there. Most of them are at the farm, but I do throw a few around here. Such a goof. Got our honeyberry bush here. We just bought this year too. Come on, Thor. So looking forward to that next year. I got another Nova Scotia raspberry here. This one's doing a bit better. You can see it's that little thing starting on it. We got a rhubarb. This one's new this year. Another rhubarb. I got this rhubarb here. It's been here for a few years now. It's actually ready to harvest. We're gonna make some pies out of that. Maybe some more wine. And we got Trinidad scorpion pepper. And our new to the garden wild blueberry bush. Just a little baby. Where are you? Up there you are. Whoa. Okay. Now we're on the search for some asparagus in the wilds of northern Ontario. Is that a gunshot? No, I think somebody's chopping wood. So let's keep looking. There's just a little guy, but if you cut deep enough down, he's actually a fair sized guy. We'll leave that little one there for another day. Come on, Thor, find the asparagus. Like any dog would, right? Finding a vegetable. Harder to find. So these are when it gets too tall, and it gets all the seeds on it, goes to seed.